I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Open the Junio app on your phone and sign in with email. Enter your password carefully to avoid lockouts. Junio sends a 6-digit code to your phone for verification. Enter the code immediately to complete sign-in. If you do not receive a code, request a new code and check your signal. Update the Junio app in the App Store or Play Store if features differ from these instructions. Tap the Wallet tab at the bottom to view payment tools. Select Payments to open the QR code generator and related settings. Choose Create QR Code or My QR depending on your Junio version. Enter the payment amount in numbers, for example 2500 if you want a fixed charge. Set an expiration time such as 24 hours to control validity. Choose recipient options like public, private, or specific contact. After generating, preview the QR code for clarity before saving. Tap Save to store the QR image in your phone gallery automatically. Use Share to send the code through message apps or email to a buyer. Display the QR on any screen and ask the payer to scan it with their wallet app. Monitor the payment status in Junio to confirm receipt within minutes. If needed, cancel the QR to void payments and prevent further scans.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.